Today we're installing one of our Maxflo mufflers on a 955 Cayenne S.
And today we're going to go over a step-by-step guide.
Step one, we're going to need to cut the factory system because the muffler is attached to the mid pipe that runs all the way up. So we want to take our tape measure, go from the bottom of the weld on the OEM muffler. We want to measure forward 4 inches. And we will mark 4 inches. And that's where we'll cut the factory system so we can take it off and slide our Maxflo system over the factory pipes. All right, here we are. We've now cut the pipe between the muffler and the factory mid pipe. I used a Sawzall, but you can also use a chain cutter if you'd like. Chain cutter takes a little longer, but it'll give you a nice clean cut. I've already removed the tips to get access to the hanger. There are 2 bolts that hold the hangers on each side. You want to support your muffler and remove the bolts one at a time to remove the factory muffler. Once you have the muffler down, you want to give the hanger rod a little spray of PB Blaster or WD-40 and remove it. Take notice when you remove it though, the hanger is asymmetrical. So you might want to mark it or put something on it so that you know when you go to put the new system in, you've got the hanger oriented in the right direction because it is offset. All right, so we're just finishing up installing the Maxflo system on the 955. Basically, we put our inlet pipes on, slide them on, leave them a little loose. Put your hangers in, slide your mufflers in, clamp them up again, leave everything loose a bit, get it positioned where you want. Once you've got everything lined up, sitting where it should be, go back over it, tighten everything down, and that's about it.